Hi students, in this video we will discuss program to find length of linked list. Length of linked list. What is length? That is the number of nodes in the linked list. How many nodes are in the linked list we need to find. So in order to find the main important in linked list is root node, because we have only the address of root node. So from root, so that is first node, that is 1000. In order to move to second node, 1000 of next, that is 2000. Then 2000 of next, it is 3000. 3000 of next, that is 4000. Then 4000 of next, sorry, that is null. That is the last node we call. Now here what we do here is, we will take one temporary variable and we will store the address of the root in a temporary variable. So initially the root address will be stored in a temporary variable. So now initially root is pointing to first node. Then after that, in order to move to the second node, what we do here is temp equal to where the address of second node is available, in the first node's next part. So temp equal to temp of next. That is temp equal to temp of next gives you the address of the second node. So after this what will happen? Temp will move to second node. That is the address of second node will be stored in temp. Again, in order to move to third node, 2000 of next, that is 3000. That 3000 will be stored in temp. Then 3000 of next, 4000. That 4000 will be stored in temp. Then 4000 of next is null. This is the last node we will confirm. So here we will iterate inside the loop until we reach to the null. Then in every iteration we will increment the count value. So what we do here is, initially we'll take one temporary variable, that is temp equal to root. So what is temp here? Temp is also a node type of pointer. And we'll take one count variable and initially count equal to 0. Count is an integer type of variable. Now every time we enter into the loop, that is while temp not equal to null. If the temp value is not equal to null, we just enter into this block and increment the count value, count plus plus. Then after that, temp equal to temp of next, that is we'll move to the next node. Then here what we do here is, then after iteration simply return count value will be returned to the caller from where the function has been called. Here the name of the function we take it as int is the return type of the function, and the length, that is it will return the integer value. Then what is this temp? Temp is a node type of pointer because it stores the address. Struct node star temp equal to root. And what is count? Count is an integer value. Now if we trace here what happens initially, now let me delete this. Now if you observe here, temp equal to root. So what is the address in root? 1000. Now temp is available here, or the temp value is 1000. Count value is, now count value is initially 0. So temp value is 1000. 1000 not equal to null, yes. So it enters into this block, count plus plus. So now count value becomes 1. Then temp of next. What is temp? 1000. 1000 of next is 2000. So 2000 will be stored in temp. So in order to explain, I will place temp variable here. Now, so next what happens? As it is a loop, it comes to the starting of the loop. 2000 not equal to null, yes, enters, count plus plus. The count value becomes 2. Then temp of next. But now what is the value of temp? 2000. 2000 of next is 3000. 3000 will be stored in temp. Now temp variable is available at 3000. Again, as it is a loop, again it comes here. Now temp is 3000. 3000 not equal to null, yes, again it enters, count plus plus. Count value becomes 3. temp of next, temp is 3000, 3000 of next is, it is 3000 of next 4000, 4000 will be stored in temp. So now temp is available at 4000. Now 4000 not equal to null, S enters, count plus plus, now count value becomes 4. Now temp is 4000, 4000 of next is null, null will be stored in temp. Now null not equal to null, false, comes out of the loop, return count. What is the value in count? 4. So this 4 will be returned to the caller. So let me execute and show you the program. Here in the previous session I have shown you creating a linked list. So if you have not seen this video, I will, in the description I will share the link of this program. Then display part, this already we have executed. Okay, now length you can see here, int count equal to 0, subtract node star temp, then count plus plus, then finally it will return the length value. In the main function I am not using switch case, my aim is to just to show you the length part. Now let me trace and show you the program. Here there is an error, so here there is an extra character, so remove this part, save, then trace your program. Now so here in the watch I will show you now. So initially a create function will be called, then here enter 10, so once again it will be called, then okay, this enter 20, then once again, okay, this part already we have seen 30, and one more element I will enter, then 40. Now I will stop. So in order to stop, what we have to enter? -1, -1 to stop. That the creation of it comes out of the loop. Now display function will be called. Now on the screen you can see it has displayed elements of linked list 10, 20, 30, 40. Now I am calling the length function. Please focus on this one. This is important. Now here you can see initially count value, then temp value, because temp contains the address. Now what is the length? Count value initially 0. So temp contains the address 788. Now temp not equal to null, S enters, count plus plus, count value becomes 1. Temp of next, second node's address will be stored here. Then temp of 790 not equal to null, S enters, count plus plus, now value becomes 2. Then temp of next, the next address will be stored, that is 798. Then again not equal to null, S, count plus plus 3. Then fourth node it will point, it is not equal to null, S, count plus plus, then temp of next, it is null, null not equal to null, false, return count. What is the value in count? 4. That 4 will be returned to the caller, that is main function, that will be stored in X. Now you can see the X value is 4, the returned value, it will be displayed onto the screen. Thank you, we'll see you in next video. Please like and share the videos. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe.